Do you love indoor plants but struggle to keep them alive? Low-light apartments, busy schedules, and forgotten watering. In 2026, plant care doesn't have to be manual anymore. Today, I'll show you how smart home automation can take care of your plants, even in low-light conditions. Most indoor spaces don't get enough natural sunlight. Low light slows photosynthesis, weakens roots, and increases the risk of overwatering. That's why many houseplants slowly decline, even when we think we're doing everything right. On-screen text. Low light equals slow growth plus root rot risk. Smart plant care doesn't mean complicated technology. It means using simple devices that automate light, water, and timing, so your plants get exactly what they need. Cutaway visuals. Smart plugs. Moisture sensors. Grow lights. Smart plant care doesn't mean complicated technology. It means using simple devices that automate light, water, and timing, so your plants get exactly what they need. Cutaway visuals. Smart plugs. Grow lights. Moisture sensors. The most important tool for low-light plants is a smart grow light. In 2026, grow lights are energy efficient, adjustable, and app-controlled. You can schedule light cycles just like sunrise and sunset. Tips: use full-spectrum LED grow lights. 8 to 12 hours daily for low-light plants. Place 30 to 60 centimeters above plants. On-screen text. Smart light equals consistent growth. Overwatering kills more plants than underwatering. Moisture sensors now connect directly to your phone and alert you only when plants actually need water. Some systems even water plants automatically in small, safe amounts. Key advice: avoid fixed watering schedules. Water only when soil is dry. Smart plugs allow full control without expensive systems. You can automate grow lights using Alexa or Google Home. Turn on plant lights, and it's done. On-screen text. Smart plug equals low-cost automation. Not all plants need strong light. These work best in smart, low-light homes. Snake plant. ZZ plant. Pothos. Peace lily. Cast iron plant. With automation, even low-light plants stay healthy year-round. Even smart systems can't fix bad habits. Too much light. Too much water. No drainage holes. Ignoring plant signals. On-screen warning. Automation supports care. It doesn't replace observation. In 2026, smart homes aren't just for comfort. They're for living better. When technology works with nature, plants thrive effortlessly. If you want healthy indoor plants without daily stress, smart automation is the future. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe to Leafberry Garden for modern plant care tips. Tell me in the comments, would you automate your plants?